Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To change the third brake light bulb and the bed light bulbs, I'm gonna climb up into the bed of the truck. There's 4 Phillips head screws. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove them all. Carefully put them up here. Just grab onto the lens, gently pry it out. It's got a little seal in here. I'll put this right up here. There's 3 bulbs inside. They're all the same style bulb. Just pull it straight out and change it. The 921 bulb, and you put it right back in to replace it. All 3 are exactly the same. Put the lens back on, push it in place, reinstall the 4 Phillips head screws. Don't go too tight, you don't want to crack the lens. If it gets tight, just stop. It's all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.